What makes a man fall deeply in love with a woman? What really makes a man fall madly and deeply in love with a woman? What sort of woman does a man fall for? Women all around the world have been debating this. According to popular belief, men do not fall in love with women in the same manner that women do. Of course, that is not the case. Men and women experience the same feelings, and men will fall in love with women in their own unique way. Researchers have now identified many of the reasons why men fall in love with women. Watch this video to the end and find out all of them. Secret psychology to what makes a man fall in love. The secret psychology behind what makes a man fall in love is that men need to feel three things with you: attraction, familiarity, and intimacy. Whether you agree or not, early attraction is important in your love life. A loving partner must be attracted to you before he can progress from liking to loving you. I didn't say physically attracted. While this is a factor, it is not the only one. When a guy falls in love with a woman, he is generally physically, emotionally, and psychologically drawn to her. The second factor is familiarity. Believe it or not, what makes a guy fall in love with a woman is her ability to make him feel at ease. Something about you is familiar to him, so he can open up to you on a deeper level. Perhaps your personality features are similar to those of one of his caregivers or siblings. Or perhaps you share his hobbies and morals. Something about you makes him feel comfortable enough to build sentiments of love for you. The final reason a man falls in love is because of a strong emotional connection. When you show up as your actual self, you create a strong bond with each other. You share your worries and ambitions, which is the key to a man's heart. This kind of open communication is what sparks passionate love. These are the three aspects you require, but the key is how you will apply them to your personal life and dating adventure. What qualities make a man fall in love? 1. He's captivated by the whole package. Men are frequently smitten with the entire woman. When men fall in love, they are first captivated by the woman's overall appearance, demeanor, voice, and laughing. The answer doesn't sound seductive, but a guy falls in love when his feelings for a woman reach a critical mass, says Grant Langston, CEO of The Harmony. He spends time with her and notices that she has a certain amount of kindness, love, devotion, loyalty, fun, sexiness, and a good mood. Wow, I adore this woman, he thinks one day. He may not know why, but his heart has taken a close look at her. Men almost never fall in love with distinct aspects of a woman before falling in love with the whole thing. Even the scent of the specific woman is part of the fascination of the man, who is head over heels. 2. Joy. A woman's most beautiful curve is her smile, as the cliché goes, and surprisingly, that is true. If it wasn't, none of these supermodels would be deemed attractive, would they? A smile is the outward manifestation of happiness. And if you are a joyous person, that is, someone who enjoys the beauty of life and allows others to share in it, you have one of the most desirable attributes in a possible mate. You must understand that a man's attraction to a woman stems from her ability to improve his life. And one way to do it is to contribute joy to it by being your most joyous and authentic self. Because when a guy falls in love with a happy woman, the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the mundane becomes entertaining. 3. Allow him to lead. Men are very simple beings. One of the most important techniques to make a guy fall in love with you is to make him believe that he can solve your problems and hence deserves your affection. Why is that so essential to him? Easy, because men have a real-life hero instinct, and their sense of self is determined by their capacity to deliver results. That is, he feels good about himself when he is able to figure things out and solve your issues. As a result, a woman who can make him feel good about himself is appealing to him, because he feels wanted and respected when he is around her. Well, that's all about it. Thanks for watching.